I just wanted to put together a couple short 3-minute videos for you to explain another solution in TopSolid for their water control or cooling control in here. So to get started, I'll just go in and say that I want to create a water circuit. I can tell it that I want it on this face right here and give it a position point by accuracy, or just pick a point, whatever. So I'll just pick a point right there, put myself back in a plan view, and then say that I want to drill to maybe this distance. Now let's look at what we got here. I've set my defaults to be 5625 diameter. I've set my drill pass length to be 200 thou. I left the bottom angle at 120 degrees. You could change that to whatever you want. You have the option to say cone or sphere type. And then this is telling you that it's going to drill from your point 1, meaning from the face, point 1. So I'll just say OK to that, and it puts in my first water line. Now I'll just continue this circuit on the same plane and say that I want to come over here. As you can see, the numbers are dynamically changing to tell you your distance. So I'm 3 inches and I'm a straight line. Again, I have all the same options, but this time I'm going to say that I want to drill from point 2, meaning from this face. And as shown in the demo on Thursday, I can change that whatever way. So again, I'll just come down here and go straight out. Again, point 2. And I have this drilling circuit. Okay, so I can end this, and I can call this maybe core 1 line. Okay, so some of the functions in here as far as your components, maybe on this line I want to put a pipe plug in. So I'll go in and I'll drop that in there. I'll say that I just want a BP40 pipe plug in this end. Let TopSolid do it. You can see it puts the tapping in the proper hole, so your if your CAM package, which I know it does, looks at hole diameters and patterns to put the proper drill in, then that's what it'll do. I'll change to put my Jiffy on now, and I'll drop this one on. I'll say that I just want a JP353. Give it the counterbore diameter that I want here. And if I wanted to, I didn't change my defaults yet to tell it the color I wanted it on, but I'll just say that I want it color blue. Okay, so there's my counterbore. If I wanted to copy this over to the other side, I could copy it. I'll just go ahead for quickness and just put another one in, since I'm in the same command. Okay. So there's my counterbores based off of whatever kind of standards your company has for drilling. Now, if I wanted to change this to not be a counterbore, I just click on it and I say that I don't want it to be a counterbore by adjusting the BP0. Now this didn't work for me at your place on Thursday, and I think it was partially because of the projector and my graphics, because as soon as I got back out of the office, or out of there, it was working fine, just like you see now. So another function that we have here is we have a reproduce option right here. So if I hit reproduce and I say I want to reproduce this function with all, and say same code, or pick it and say OK, you're going to see that this one's going to update as well to follow suit. So if you want to change all of them, if you wanted to do one with the counterbore and then have all the same, follow the same options, that's what you would do.